Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laifa, and in today's video the beautiful Abidos of Abidos Gele is going to be tying my gele. So I wanted to do a voiceover to explain to you guys what exactly she's doing, but her technique is different from mine. So I'm hoping that you guys can just watch the video and get what she's doing. I'm hoping it's self-explanatory for you guys. I'm going to leave her Instagram handle on the screen and in my description box below. I really love my gele, and this was the first time I was going for an event to gele, and I was so scared that it was going to hurt like crazy, but it actually was very comfortable. Like I had it on till like 11 p.m. and I didn't have a headache. I didn't have the urge to take it off, so it wasn't a bad experience, and I loved it. I loved it so much. So you guys should enjoy this gele tutorial.
Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. Been thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me. Cause I was made to be free.
And that is it for this Gele tutorial. She did an amazing job, didn't she? If you guys have any questions, please drop it in the comment section below, and I will have Abidos respond to your questions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a fabulous day, queens. Bye. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. And yes, guys, the next video coming is the vlog from the wedding. It was lit AF, so definitely look forward to that vlog. I'll see you guys on Sunday in my vlog. Bye.
I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left